Hello, people of the internet. Welcome to Keith's Wood Shop. I am Keith, and this is my wood shop. And today we have unboxing number 3. Got a very cheap collection of block plane parts. Which should help to complete some of the partial block planes that I have. This one looks like it's complete, just a little bit rusty. Looks like a Stanley 220, but I'm not sure for sure. Rusty, I'm positive about. .220 because of that knob back there. Needs some cleanup. Should be good. Another rusty one, the same. That one I'm sure is a Stanley. It says so right there. Just says USA. Another complete one. Whole different style though. Quite rusty. Another one much like the last one, except this knob is stamped sheet metal, not solid. Which makes it kind of cheaper. It looks like a bottle cap. right upset parts, so I thought they were going to be packs of blades and chip guards, lever caps, knobs, and stuff like that. This one is missing the front knob, which you don't use when you use a black plane anyways. More of this kind of thing, one-handed. Made in USA down there. A little bit rusty on the sides. Five complete block planes. Not bad. None of them look as good as my already block plane here. Got this one a couple years ago. This one's a number 15, according to what I got going on right there. Nifty little brass knob. You can turn that, loosen it, and this little lever opens and closes the mouth to adjust how big a shaving you get. The more it's closed, the thinner the shaving has to be. Otherwise it'll get jammed up. Alright. Well, thank you for stopping by and watching whatever this is. You have a great day.